cucumber juice, refreshing to the last drop. Try it and tell me what you think about it. Welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you some cucumber juice with ginger and lime. Okay guys, here I have my cucumber nicely washed and clean up, and I have my lime and I have my ginger. So my bullet is here, and I have my pot with the strain, and I have a little rum that I'm gonna add to the juice. And here I have my sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar. So you can use honey, or you can just mix it without anything, without any sweetener. And here I have my water. So let's get started, guys. So I'm gonna cut up my cucumber. Yes. Cut up this. My bullet. The skin is also good, so I'm not gonna peel it. I'm just gonna add it as is. My cucumber juice with ginger, alright, and lime juice. So that's that. So let me cut up my ginger. Alright, so I'm gonna add my lime. So guys, I'm gonna remove the seed from the lime and add the liquid. You can do pre-juice your lime, but I'm just showing you what I'm doing. Alright, and I use at least half of this one. Right, this should be nice and refreshing when I'm done. So I'm gonna add my water, and remember, we're gonna add it to the maximum right there. I'm gonna add my sugar, alright. So as I said, you don't have to sweeten it. I'm just gonna tip a half tablespoon of rum here, guys. Wow, that's supposed to be refreshing. And I'm gonna cover this, and then I'm gonna blend. This should be ready now, guys. So I'm gonna strain it. Let's put these on the other side, and then I'm gonna get my strainer. Yes. Strain. You don't have to add the sugar nor the alcohol. If you like it natural, you can also add real natural juice. Alright? Seems like I can add a bit more water to this. So I'm gonna do that right about now, guys. Yeah. Just adding a little bit more water. Alright, so I'm gonna strain this one more time. Just need to add my ice and I'm good to go. Okay guys, so I'm gonna glass this and have my juice. Guys, I'm gonna pour. Let's taste my juice. Oh wow. Refreshing to the last drop. Very refreshing. Yes guys, this is my finished product. Cucumber juice with ginger and lime. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Easy, refreshing for the summer. Easy, natural juice. Go ahead and give me some thumbs up guys. Like this video, share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment below, tell me what you think of this refreshing, beautiful, nicely looking cucumber juice. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Remember to like my other videos, okay? See you, bye! Cucumber juice. So guys, let's taste my juice. Oh wow. Refreshing to the last drop. Very refreshing. Juice, refreshing to the last drop. Try it and tell me what you think about it. Yes guys, this is my finished product. cucumber juice with ginger and lime. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Easy, refreshing for the summer. Easy, natural juice. Go ahead and give me some thumbs up, guys.